Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the door hinge on your dryer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to remove the hinge, we'll take both screws out of the door side of the hinge, one screw out of the cabinet side, and then just loosen the other screw on the cabinet side. Be sure to support that door as you remove the last screw. Lift the hinge off the remaining screw, and then make sure we put the keyhole slot side of the hinge onto the cabinet. And we'll put both screws in the door side of the hinge, then the remaining screw on the cabinet side. And then tighten them securely. And now we can close up the door. We can now close up the door, and your repair is complete.